Hello everyone, welcome back to Talkory English. Today we're at the hotel. You will hear 10 conversations, from check-in to check-out, and everything in between. These are the real situations you will face when you stay at a hotel. Let's get started. Hello, I have a reservation under the name Alex Kim.
Good evening, Mr. Kim. Let me check that for you. Yes, I can see your reservation. You're staying for 2 nights, is that right?
Yes, that's right, 2 nights.
Can I see your passport, please?
Of course, here you go.
Okay, everything looks good. Here is your room key. You're in room 304 on the 3rd floor.
Thank you. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the morning in the restaurant on the 1st floor.
I see. And is there a lift?
Yes, the lift is just around the corner on your left.
Great, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay, Mr. Kim.
Remember this phrase. I have a reservation under the name Alex Kim. Use it when you arrive at a hotel and talk to the front desk. Alex is in his room now, but the air conditioning is not working. He picks up the phone and calls the front desk. What does he say? Listen and find out. It's very warm in here. I turned on the air conditioning, but nothing is happening. I need to call the front desk. Hello, this is Alex Kim in room 304.
Good evening, Mr. Kim. How can I help you?
There is a problem with the air conditioning in my room. I turned it on, but it's not working.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you see a remote control near the window?
Yes, I can see it.
Please press the power button and set the temperature to 22.
Okay. I pressed it, but it still doesn't work. The room is still very warm.
I'm sorry about that. Can I send someone to look at it?
Yes, please. Can you send someone soon?
Of course. I'll send someone in about 15 minutes. Or I can move you to a different room.
I think I'll wait. If it's still not working, I'll call again.
That's fine. I'm sorry for the trouble, Mr. Kim.
Remember this phrase. There is a problem with the air conditioning in my room. Use it when something in your hotel room is not working. Alex is getting ready for bed. He goes to the bathroom and sees only one towel. He calls the front desk. What does he ask for? Hello, this is Alex Kim in room 304 again.
Good evening, Mr. Kim. How can I help you?
Could I have 2 extra towels, please? There is only one towel in my room.
Of course. I'll send them up right away.
Thank you. Could I also get a toothbrush? I forgot mine.
Yes, no problem. I'll send one with the towels.
That's great. How long will it take?
About 10 minutes.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Kim. Is there anything else you need?
No, that's everything. Thank you very much. Remember this phrase. Could I have 2 extra towels, please? Use it when you need something extra in your hotel room. The next morning, Alex hears a knock at the door. It's housekeeping. Alex is not ready for them to clean yet. What does he say?
Housekeeping?
Just a moment, please. Hello, sorry, I'm not ready yet. Can you come back in 1 hour, please?
Of course. I'll come back at 11 o'clock. Is that okay?
Yes, 11 is perfect, thank you.
No problem. Is there anything you need right now?
Actually, yes. Could I get some fresh towels? I used all my towels this morning.
Sure. I have some with me. I'll get them for you now.
That's very kind, thank you.
You're welcome. I'll see you then.
Remember this phrase. Can you come back in 1 hour, please? It's Alex's first evening at the hotel. He's hungry, but he doesn't want to go out. He picks up the phone and calls room service. What does he order? Listen and find out. Hello, is this room service?
Yes, it is. What can I get for you?
I'd like to order something to eat. Do you have any sandwiches?
Yes, we have a club sandwich and a cheese sandwich. Which one would you like?
I'll have the club sandwich, please, and a bottle of water.
Of course. Would you like anything else?
No, that's everything. How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
That's fine. Can I pay when the food arrives?
Yes, of course. You can pay by card, or we can add it to your room bill.
Please add it to my bill. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kim. We'll bring it to your room soon.
Remember this phrase. I'd like to order something, please. Use it when you want to order food. Later that morning, Alex wants to explore the city. He stops at the concierge desk in the hotel lobby. What does he ask? Listen and find out. Excuse me, do you work here?
Yes, I am. How can I help you?
I'd like to try a local restaurant tonight. Can you recommend a good one near the hotel?
Of course. There's a very good local restaurant called Green Garden. It's about a 10-minute walk from here.
Green Garden? That sounds nice. What kind of food do they serve?
They serve traditional food from this region. It's very popular with our guests.
Great. What time does the restaurant open?
It opens at 6 in the evening.
And how do I get there from the hotel?
Turn left when you leave the hotel. Walk straight for 5 minutes. Then turn right at the big supermarket. You'll see it on your left.
Thank you. That's very helpful.
You're welcome. Can I make a reservation for you?
Yes, please. For one person at 7 o'clock.
Of course, I'll call them now.
Remember this phrase. Can you recommend a good restaurant near the hotel? On his last morning, Alex goes to the hotel restaurant for breakfast. He's not sure if breakfast is included in his booking. What does he ask? Listen and find out. Good morning. I'm staying at the hotel, room 304. Is breakfast included in my booking?
Good morning. What's your name, please?
Alex Kim.
Let me check. Yes, Mr. Kim, breakfast is included in your booking.
That's great. So how does it work? Do I order from a menu?
We have a buffet.
What does buffet mean?
The buffet is a long table with lots of food. Bread, fruit, yogurt, juice.
You can take as much as you want.
Oh, I see. That sounds great. Is there anything else on the menu?
Yes. For eggs or something hot, just ask me.
Can I order some eggs, please? Scrambled eggs, please.
Of course. Please take a seat and I'll bring them to you soon.
Remember this phrase. Is breakfast included in my booking? Use it when you're not sure if breakfast is free at your hotel. Alex loves the hotel and wants to stay one more night. He goes to the front desk. What does he say? Hello, I'm Alex Kim in room 304. My checkout is tomorrow morning, but I'd like to stay one more night. Is that possible?
Good morning, Mr. Kim. Let me check if the room is available. Great. The room is available tomorrow night.
That's great news. How much is it per night?
It's $90 per night, the same price as before.
Okay, and what time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 noon.
Perfect. So I'll check out on Thursday morning, right?
That's correct. I'll update your booking now. Is there anything else?
No, that's everything. Thank you.
My pleasure, Mr. Kim. Enjoy your extra night.
Remember this phrase. Is it possible to stay one more night? Use it when you want to extend your hotel stay. It's Thursday morning. Alex is ready to leave. He brings his bags to the front desk. What does he say? Listen and find out. Good morning. I'd like to check out, please. I'm in room 304, Alex Kim.
Good morning, Mr. Kim. Let me get your bill ready. Here is your bill. You stayed for 3 nights. That's $270. You also ordered room service on Tuesday evening. That's $20. The total is $290.
Let me check the bill. I can see the 3 nights and the room service. But what is this charge for? It says mini bar, $12.
That's for the drinks from the mini bar in your room.
I didn't use the mini bar.
I'm sorry about that. Let me check with housekeeping. You're right, Mr. Kim. That was a mistake. I'll remove that charge now. The new total is $278.
Thank you. I'll pay by card.
Of course. And here is your receipt.
Thank you. I really enjoyed my stay.
That's great to hear, Mr. Kim. Have a safe journey.
Remember this phrase. I'd like to check out, please. Use it when you're ready to leave the hotel and pay your bill. Oh no, my charger is not in my bag. I think I left it in the room. I need to call the hotel. Hello, this is Alex Kim. I checked out of room 304 this morning.
Good morning, Mr. Kim. How can I help you?
I think I left my charger in room 304. It's a white charger. Can you check if housekeeping found it?
Of course. Please hold for a moment. Mr. Kim, good news. Housekeeping found a white charger in room 304. We have it at the front desk.
Oh, that's great news. Can I come back to get it?
Yes, of course. We'll keep it here for you. Just ask for it at the front desk when you arrive.
Thank you so much. I'll be there in about 30 minutes.
No problem, Mr. Kim. We'll have it ready for you.
That's the end of today's video. You heard 10 hotel conversations from check-in to check-out. Now I have a question for you. Which situation do you think will be most useful for you? Write the number in the comments. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more slow and easy English. Thank you for watching. See you next time.